Well, good Monday evening, everybody. It's effing cold tonight, so a little chill in here. So my candy ass decided to fire up the torpedo heater and heat the shop up a little bit. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Fuck it, I know. I gotta finish specking parts for this goddamn final drive because I kind of figured out my plan. So I can't find the fucking face seal. But we gotta pry this old one out of here. We gotta get that race out of there. We gotta spec it. Just to make sure that I know exactly what size I'm looking for. I'm 99% sure. I want to be 100% sure before I go paying several $100s for a bearing. So let's... What the hell's my tripod? Oh, there it is. It's over there. Not that one. That's a tripod too. Ha! Alright, anyway. There's at least one person that went, oh my god, you're gonna drink a beer and do that? Yeah. Thing on. Not even 10 minutes. Good Lord. Not there. Not there. Still got my fucking work shirt on. I hit the ground running tonight. We get in here, and I get out of the fucking light. You can see right in there is a lip. Right there. So I don't know if this is just one solid piece that's in there, or if they're like on the other side, on the motor side, drive motor side that's over there in my fuckulated wheel from the tire, on the trailer. I don't know if that's got an O-ring behind it like the other one. Probably not. I guess not. Maybe not. Don't fucking know. Okay, we'll try and get in here. Oh, look at that. Look at that, sassy pants. Beep, beep. Freight screwdriver's doing something. There we go. So that's the other side of my face seal, huh? Good enough. Okay, so problem number 2. What the hell holds bearing together? This is an outside race. Cut it, split it with a chisel, pull it off. An inside race this big, I could probably cut it. With the tension on, it's going to pinch that fucking cutoff wheel and probably make the cutoff wheel explode. So my other option is to take the welder, run a bead all the way around the inside of that race and suck that fucker down and pop it out of there. So that's what we'll do. You'll want to set your beer out of the way for this. 2-inch sander, 3-inch polisher, made by Mac Tools again. Pretty handy tool. Yellow wire brush on there. That's why I need that exhaust hood up here, huh? You get in there, you get all that dust flying, and you just suck it right out with the exhaust hood. We'll get there. We'll get there, I promise you. Okay. So, once again, let me unclamp you. So that is, I ran that wire wheel around in here to polish that out. That's where I want to run that bead of weld. But battery is dying on this phone. Now you would think somebody that makes YouTube videos every day would be more diligent about charging their device. Well, hey, the cord's not long enough. Hang on, hold on, I'll get you a charge. Oh, there you go. Minty. Plus, now you're at an adequate distance away that I don't burn the phone with the welder this time. This time. One more in. Tap it. Start it. You should always shout when you're completing penetration. Okay. Leave that fan run on that welder for a little bit. Cool that sucker down. You should do that. We ran that thing pretty hard on it. Considering it's a 110 unit, we ran that thing pretty hard on the duty cycle right there. So, hang on. Hang on. Now, considering you're sitting there on your charger, I'm going to flip this over, and we'll see if it wants to drift while it's hot. I don't expect it to. When it's hot, it expands and doesn't want to move. As this thing cools down, that's when it should start to move. Hopefully, in theory. Suppose I could do something else, huh? Oh, wait. Alright, fine. So, I know everybody's like, well, what else are you going to do, Rick? It looks like pretty much all the other projects in the shop are done. Well, they're not. I'm going to shut the fucking heat off. I know that. My God. Minty. Come on. Beautiful. That worked nice. Louder than hell, but it worked nice. All right, we can shut the welder off. She's getting cooled down. Had her time to cool down there. I always like to just shut that thing off after a long run like that. Let that fan cool that unit down. So, while I'm waiting, what shall I do? What shall I do? What the fuck, man? Put that away. Why don't you put your stuff away for once in a while, Rick? I'm pretty sure I just heard the magic pink. I hope. Did you? Let's see. Yep. Interesting. Seeing more than one surface here, which is even more interesting. More interesting. Turns out we have 2 bearings. Doesn't bother me any, but should I take the rest of this thing out? No problem, Bob. Alrighty, well. I'm going to work on that. That's our outer race. It's actually got a number on it too. So maybe I see if I can cross it over, huh? All right. We get both them out of there and we'll go from there. Probably got to grind a little bit of that weld back off, but not much. Anyway. Live and learn, right? Way you go. All right, I got a bore that I can spec, and I got a bearing number that I can run. So we're going to cross that and see how many hundreds of dollars that bearing is. Well, good Tuesday morning, everybody. So, a little update on the project here. So now that I got the race out on this, bearing race out. Now I realized by welding that I thought that was one bearing. I actually welded that race to that little bit of a rib there. Not the end of the world. It's just going to take some grinding, grind the damn weld off. Still going to have plenty of shoulder there to hold the bearings in place. It'll work. It'll be fine. Never taken one apart. Shit, I couldn't even find a service manual for the damn thing. So what do you do? I was able to source those bearings out of fucking nowhere, China, but it's probably going to take me weeks, if not months, to get them. So, and that doesn't fix my seal issue. I cannot find that seal for nothing. I can't find a manufacturer that has the seal of the same dimension for the life of me. So my plan is to get the equivalent size bearing in a sealed bearing. 2 of them actually, 2 sealed bearings, same dimensions. Deep groove roller bearings. And we'll try that out. I'll also reinstall that. The old seal, just to use it as a dust shield. Because it won't hold gear oil, but I'll use it to be a dust shield to protect the sealed bearings from debris. So fingers crossed that'll work. I don't know. We'll find out. What do you do? If you guys like what I'm doing, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave me a question or comment. Wednesday night's coming, guys. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. I got a live stream. Come on by. Say hello. Stop in, have a beer, have a drink, whatever. Sit back and have a good time. I'm going to try to figure out what the hell I'm going to do with the rest of this now. Hope everyone has a great night. See you again next time.